In this video, we are going to solve different types of examples on homogeneous equation of degree 2. Let's see. First example, find the value of k if the sum of the slopes of lines represented by x square plus kxy minus 3y square is equal to 0 is twice their product. In this example, we have to find the value of k if the condition is sum of slopes of lines is twice their product. We know that the homogeneous equation of degree 2. So first we comparing the given equation x square plus kxy minus 3y square is equal to 0 with homogeneous equation of degree 2, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So comparing this equation, we get the value of a is equal to 1, 2h is equal to k and b is equal to minus 3. And also we know that the sum of the slopes and product of their slopes of lines. So let first comparing, let m1 and m2 be the slopes of lines represented by the given equation x square plus kxy minus 3y square is equal to 0. Therefore, we get the sum of slopes of lines m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h upon b, that is value of 2h is k. So we get minus k upon minus 3, that is k by 3, and product of slopes m1 into m2 is equal to a upon b. A is 1 and b is minus 3. So we get minus 1 by 3. And the given condition is the sum of the slopes of lines is twice their product. So by given condition, we can write the sum of slopes, that is m1 plus m2 is equal to twice their product, that is 2 into m1 into m2. So put the value of m1 plus m2, k by 3 is equal to 2 into m1 m2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Then k by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3, and therefore k is equal to, by cross multiplying 2 by 3 into 3, 3 will be cancelled and we get the value of k is equal to minus 2. So by given condition, we can find out the value of k using sum of slopes and product of slopes of lines represented by homogeneous equation of degree 2. Now see the example 2. Find the value of k if the slopes of lines represented by 3x square plus kxy minus y square is equal to 0 differ by 4. Here condition is the difference between two slopes of lines is 4. So first step is comparing the given equation 3x square plus kxy minus y square is equal to 0 with homogeneous equation form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then we get a is equal to 3, k is equal to 2h and b is equal to minus 1. And also consider m1 and m2 be the slopes of lines represented by the given equation 3x square plus kxy minus y square is equal to 0. Then the sum of slopes of lines is equal to minus 2h upon b. Then using this formula we get the value of sum of the slopes minus 2h. 2h is equal to k. So minus k upon b is equal to minus 1. Sorry, here 2h is equal to k. So minus 2h upon b is equal to minus k upon minus 1, that is k. And product of slopes is equal to a upon b is equal to 3 upon minus 1, that is minus 3. Here condition is the difference of slopes of lines is 4. So condition is m1 minus m2 is equal to 4. In this example, we use the expansion of m1 minus m2 bracket square in different form. m1 minus m2 bracket square can be written as m1 plus m2 bracket square minus 4 into m1 into m2. Here we use the expansion in sum of two terms and product of the given terms. So m1 plus m2 bracket square minus 4 into product of slopes m1 into m2. So here we can substitute the value of m1 plus m2, m1, m2, and also by given condition we can put the value of m1 minus m2. So substituting the value of m1 minus m2 is 4 square is equal to m1 plus m2 is equal to k square minus 4 into product of slopes minus 3. Then we get 4 square is 16 is equal to k square, as it is minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12, and then by calculating this equation we get k square is equal to 16 minus 12, that is k square is equal to 4, and taking square root of k square we get k is equal to plus or minus 2. In this way we get the value of k by using the sum of slopes and product of slopes, and also the different form of m1 minus m2 bracket square. The next example is find the condition that the line 4x plus 5y is equal to 0 coincides with one of the lines given by homogeneous equation of degree 2, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is the condition. Find the condition that problem. In this example we use the auxiliary equation of homogeneous equation of degree 2, and we know that the auxiliary equation of this equation is bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation of homogeneous equation of degree 2. So first we consider the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0, and the condition that 4x plus 5y is equal to 0 coincides with one of the lines represented by this equation. So the line is coincides with one of the lines. So the slope of this line is equal to the slope of one of the lines given by homogeneous equation. So first find out the slope of given line. Slope of 4x plus 5y is equal to 0 is, using the formula minus a upon b is equal to minus 4 upon 5. So the value of m is equal to minus 4 by 5. Here slope is root of given auxiliary equation. Here we consider the slope of value of the slope of line as a root of given auxiliary equation. So m is equal to minus 4 by 5 is the root of auxiliary equation bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0. Root of bm square plus 2hm plus a is equal to 0. So the value of root m is equal to minus 4 by 5 satisfy the given auxiliary equation. So we can write b into the value of m minus 4 by 5 bracket square plus 2h into the value of m minus 4 by 5 plus a is equal to 0. Now simplifying this equation, we get 4 by 5 square, that is 16 by 25 into b, minus 4 into 2 minus 8h divided by 5 plus a is equal to 0. Now taking 25 as LCM, we get 16b minus 5 into 5 25, so 8 into 5 40h plus 25a is equal to 0. Now write this equation in proper form, that is 25a minus 40h plus 16b is equal to 0. And this is the required condition. This is the required condition. In this way, we can use the auxiliary equation for finding the condition that problem.